Oh, I'm sorry I sprayed you guys. Please forgive me. I sneezed while drinking some water. So, were you guys going somewhere?
To Squirrel's acorn party. You should come too.
Hi, Squirrel. We're here.
Whoa! But how come Squirrel isn't here? Ta-da! I'm here! In fact, I made something super duper special for you. Okay. Delicious and crispy acorn roast.
Oh, that's so yummy!
Hey, Squirrel, is that smoke?
Oh, look there!
My house! Too hot! Someone help me! I left the oven on!
Huh?
Oh! Aha! Elephant! You can squirt that water on the fire!
But I can't.
No, you won't, Elephant! We need you! Please!
Okay. I'll try.
Let's try one more time!
Okay.
Hey, the fire's out! Great job!
Oh, look! It's really starry tonight.
So many stars! Oh, there are 100 stars!
Oh,
Look there!
oh,
A star is coming down! Look, there it is!
wow! Something up there is glittering.
It's coming this way!
Ah, it's a firefly.
A firefly? It's not a star?
Mm-hmm. The fireflies have glowing bottoms that shine bright like stars.
Wow!
Hey, why don't you sit on my head?
The firefly went into your bag, Bobby. Isn't that Bobby's bag?
Oh, the firefly is not in here.
Firefly! Where are you? Oh, look! A star is falling! What? It's a firefly!
Wow, the firefly brought us its friends to light up the way home for us.
Yippee! We're home! Oh, Chip, what's that on your head?
Oh, look over there.
Oh, it's foam! Hey, I'm a monster!
I found my house!
Oh, is your house made of this foam?
Yes, it is! This is my house!
Oh dear, I think it's because you suddenly felt cold, Spittlebug.
We'll help you. It's all because of us.
I'm so full now I can't even... What's this?
Oh, look, bubbles.
Bobby, Dory, Jack! Look at us!
Help! Mom! Let me get down!
You're safe with me now. Is everyone okay?
Yes!
I clearly see a tropical storm headed right this way.
Tropical storm? But look! The weather's too nice for a storm. That's right, and it's going to be sunny for the entire day. So let's stay outside and play all day. Woohoo!
Huh? That's not right! There really is a storm on its way here! Huh? Aha! Attention, forest friends! There's a storm coming! Get inside! Attention! A storm is coming! Get inside!
Oh, I hope my children are on their way back.
Say, would your children happen to be playing with some pinwheels?
I'm the fastest!
It's spinning really fast on its own. That was cold.
Hey guys, let's get on fast! Sorry, old Jim! Welcome, Dad!
Yes, we're okay.
Great! Let's get you all back home.
Yes.
Let's play tag. I'll be the tagger. They left. Who should I treat now? Huh? The branches are drooping. What are you doing? I think it needs more water. All right, it's done. Now wait for a moment. Wow, the little pines got nice and healthy again. Who are you? I'm Ladybug. I heal sick plants. Oh, the balsam flower's wilting. Well then. Ah, sunlight! Fine. Can you move a little bit? The balsam needs some sunlight.
Catch me if you can!
I'll get you, Bobby! Gotcha! It's Dory. What are you doing? I'm healing the balsam flower. Wow! Nina! Oh, look! His branch is almost broken.
It's completely broken now.
What do we do?
What happened, my chicks?
We tried to fix the grapevine's branch, but it's completely broken.
Then we'd better plant it.
And finished! It's all planted. It will grow again now. I hope it'll grow really quickly.